नमस्कार. आयच्या डिबेटात तुमकां सगळ्यांक येवकार आनी विशय आसता म्हादयचो. म्हादयचो विशय असो आसा की ट्रायब्युनला भितर गोंय केस जिखता अशें वातावरण आसा आनी दुसरे वटेच्यान ट्रायब्युनलान खंय तरी सजेशन केलें म्हणून महाराष्ट्र आनी कर्नाटकाच्या मुख्यमंत्र्या बरोबर चर्चा करची काय ना आनी थंय अजेंडा कितें आसता गोंयचो हाजे खातीर ऑल पार्टी मिटींग जाली. सो कितें साध्य जावपाक शकता आनी फाल्यां ट्रायब्युनला भितर जरी आमी केस जिखले ज्या तरेन कावेरीचो प्रश्न कर्नाटकान हँडल केला सुप्रीम कोर्टाच्या ऑर्डरी उपरांत गोंयचो प्लॅन कितें आसपाक जाय आनी गोंयान कितें तयारी दवरपाक जाय हाजेर आमी भासाभास करतात. 3 मानेस्त म्हजे बरोबर. पयली आसा ते म्हणजे भाजपाचे ज्येष्ठ फुडारी आनी आमदार मायकल लोबो. स्वागत तुमचें. दुसरे आसा जे म्हाका दिसता ह्या विशयाचे कायद्याचेर आमकां सांगपाक शकतले आनी पॉलिटिकली सांगपाक शकतले ते काँग्रेसीचे फुडारी यतीश नायक. स्वागत तुमचें. आनी तिसरे आसात म्हणजे गोवा फॉरवर्डाचे वील रिप्रेझेंट अ रिजनल सेंटिमेंट हियर अँड से दॅट वॉट गोवा नीड्स टू डू ते विजय बाब सरदेसाय. यतीश आय विल स्टार्ट विथ यू कारण आता भितर लिगली गजाली इन्वॉल्व आसात आनी पॉलिटिकली गजाली इन्वॉल्व आसात. मुख्यमंत्री म्हणटा की आता ट्रायब्युनलान सजेशन दिलें म्हणून आपूण वता. कितले प्रॅक्टिकल दिसता हें आनी वॉट कॅन बी द प्रोस एंड कॉन्स ऑफ दीस मिटींग. 3 मुख्यमंत्री जेन्ना अशा विशयाचेर मेळटात आनी जेन्ना केस ट्रायब्युनला भितर आसा कितें जावपाक शकता?
See, I'll tell you, when the negotiations and conciliations for an interstate river dispute fail, the Constitution provides a mechanism, and that is the Interstate River Water Disputes Act of 1956. So, तुझे negotiations जेन्ना फालियार जाता तेन्ना राज्यांक पर्याय उरना आणि तेन्ना राज्यां सेंटराक पिटिशन करता दॅट एनेबलिंग सेक्शन 3 जे आसा तें जर तूं वाचत त्या एक्टाचें जाल्यार इट ओपन्स अप इन दॅट वे दॅट नेगोसिएशनां फालियार जाल्ल्यान आतां आमकां राज्यांक पर्याय ना म्हणून आमी सेंटराक पिटिशन करता की तूं हें ट्रिब्युनल घाल म्हणून जाग्यार. आतां अशें आसतना आमी तें केलें तेन्ना काँग्रेस सरकार आशिल्लो तेन्ना हें जालें तेन्ना ट्रिब्युनल जालो जाग्यार पडलो मागीर हें सरकार गव्हर्नन्स इज अ कंटिन्युइंग प्रोसेस. गोंयचें हित राखपाची गरज प्रत्येक सरकाराक आसता बिकॉज अल्टिमेटली पीपल आर द वॉचडॉग्स. दीस गव्हर्मेंट ऑल्सो हॅज डन सम दीस ऑन इट आनी ट्रिब्युनल इज सीज्ड ऑफ द मॅटर इट इज एडज्युडिकेटिंग. आज जेन्ना हे नेगोसिएशनाचे बद्दल उलयता तेन्ना म्हाका कळना कित्याक नेगोसिएशनां पयलीं जाल्लीं ती फालियार जालीं म्हणून केंद्र सरकारान पिटिशन केलें अंडर 3 आणि म्हणून ट्रिब्युनल जाग्यार पडलें आणि आतां परते नेगोसिएशन उलयता. सो हे म्हाका भाशा कळना. नेगोसिएशन्स हॅव हॅपन्ड दे हॅव फेल्ड देरफॉर 3 देरफॉर एडज्युडिकेशन बाय ट्रिब्युनल नाव अगेन नेगोसिएशन्स आय डोंट नो. अँड वेन गोवा's case on an evidentiary footing is good, is meritorious, and we have also succeeded quite a bit and to quite an extent. I don't understand what this government is talking.
We'll go into the details of it. विजय किती दिसता 3 मुख्यमंत्री जेन्ना बसतले धरून गोंय किती साध्य जावपाक शकता तातूंतल्यान? एक आर्ग्युमेंट असो आसपाक शकता यतीश म्हणटा की किती सगळें फेल जाला म्हणून तुमी ट्रायब्युनला गेल्या न्ही. सेकंड आर्ग्युमेंट कॅन बी why should anybody shy away from negotiations? If there is a possibility of out of court settlement, why should anybody shy away? Which argument you are holding on to?
No. Basically, we have to go by the background of the case. As Yatish says, because the issue was not getting settled, it went to the tribunal. आमकां आतां सगळे गोंयकारांक अशें समजायलां सरकारान इन्क्लुडींग मी एज अ मेंबर ऑफ द लेजिस्लेटिव्ह असेंब्ली की केस आमी थंय जिखतात म्हणून वी हॅव गॉट अ इंटरिम ऑर्डर इन आवर फेवर. सुशांत नाडकर्णी एडवोकेट आत्माराम नाडकर्णी वॉज congratulated on the floor of the house by a resolution which was unanimous. After this, where is the question of negotiation? When you are winning the case, where is the question of negotiation? Problem असो की आमचो जो मुख्यमंत्री आहा तो उलटे बोर्डाचो तो एक casual friendly remark of the tribunal. He takes it very seriously.
No, Karnataka has taken it seriously and Karnataka has initiated.
No. See, the issue is like this. A casual remark is taken very seriously by the Goa government. And a serious thing like river nationalization is taken very casually by the chief minister. आमची कधी नदयो घेवन वतले ते काय म्हणटा तो. So that is the essence of the whole thing. हांगा अशें आहा की गोंयाक आहा 2 MP, कर्नाटकाक आहा 28 MP. So it is 28 versus 2. Fortunately for us, we have a defense minister from Goa, and we expect that he is going to protect the interests of Goa there, not of Uttar Pradesh. Because if we consider him, you go on, he is finally bhai, he not bhaiya, till now at least. So अशें हातून तो जेन्ना ऑक्टोबरान 2014 स्टँड घेता की केन्नाच आमी कसलेंच नेगोशिएशन करचें ना, इतलेंच न्ही तो NGOचेर अटॅक मारता की म्हादयच्या हाजेर तुमी कित्याक सरकारा बरोबर ना काय म्हणून, आनी मागीर सडनली दीस टर्न अरावंड. Is this to please the Lingayat lobby? Because the BJP is on an upswing in Karnataka. Is it because that कोण तो मुख्यमंत्री आलो भितर पडलो येदियुरप्पा तो रिवायव जावपाक ताका रिवायव करपाक हें सगळें करतात काय कितें? पूण अशें हातून सगळे आमी एक आसूंक जाय. आमची ऑल पार्टी मिटिंगेक बसून दे हॅव जस्ट कॉल्ड देम फॉर द सेक ऑफ कॉलिंग.
पॉइंट वा की ट्रायब्युनलान सजेशन केलें ना, दिस इज अ व्हेरी कन्फ्युजिंग थिंग. ट्रायब्युनलाक नो जस्ट 1 minute सजेशन केलें, देन ऑब्वियसली कर्नाटका वॉज पिटिशनिंग गोवा गव्हर्नमेंट फॉर नेगोशिएशन आनी आउट ऑफ कोर्ट सेटलमेंट. कर्नाटका CM टूक अ स्टँड की ट्रायब्युनल म्हणा आमी मेळया. What do you expect Goa Chief Minister to say? Na मेळना.
I'll tell you.
I feel that the Goa Chief Minister has to go legally. Because in front of the Karnataka,
He has to tell Karnataka Chief Minister, I am not meeting
no,
you.
Everything, let it go as per. Win the case in the tribunal.
I will just interject.
We'll go to that.
You asked me, you asked him what the Goa Chief Minister has to say.
Correct.
On 21st of August 2014, ex-Chief Minister had said in the assembly, the government will fight at all levels to prevent the diversion of water of Madai river by Karnataka government. Will fight at all levels. So this is what he should do.
ओके मायकल,
See,
दोन प्रश्न आहात सारखे. पयलो प्रश्न म्हळ्यार नेगोशिएशन्स जेन्ना फेल जाल्या तेन्ना परत नेगोशिएशन्साक वचप कित्याक, आनी जर आमी ट्रायब्युनलाक इफ वी आर ऑन अ स्ट्रॉंग फुटींग, why to open a Pandora's box which can go either way? Here there is a case which is coming in our favor.
Yeah. See, our government is very serious as far as Madai issue is concerned. That is the lifeline of Goa. Madai is our lifeline. It is our mother. So, जेन्ना ते उदक जो तर येयना जाल्यार we will be totally dead. Entire North Goa आख्खे dead जातले. So, what the issue over here today, what we are fighting, is in the tribunal. Tribunal has only said given a suggestion. How seriously our government will take it has to be seen. But when we have our additional Solicitor General Sushant Atmaram Natkarni at the center, and he is fighting this case, his team, तेजी आख्खी team whom we congratulated on the floor of the house on that interim order जी dismiss जाली कर्नाटकाची, तेंका relief मेळोंक ना, आमी ती जिखल्या. So we have a very strong case in the tribunal, and 101% we are going to win the case.
Then why negotiation?
Why negotiations? And I am telling you, my government is not going to negotiate with Karnataka. So many offers had come from Karnataka. Chief Minister, Water Resources Minister of Karnataka has personally spoken to our Chief Minister, to our Water Resources Minister of Goa, to our former AG, who is looking after this case. But nobody has bowed down or even gone ahead for any negotiation, and there is
Now
no question of
your government has
negotiation.
accepted. Now
No, it is just going to be just a formal talk. म्हणजे कितें एक उलोवप आसता as a chief minister to the other chief minister, but no negotiations as far as
you are telling me, Michael, that the Goa Chief Minister is going to meet Devendra Fadnavis and Siddaramaiah, but he will not negotiate.
The question of negotiation does not arise, as our former Advocate General of Goa and our present
PSG.
He has told that there is no question of any type of negotiations.
Okay.
And we have a very strong case in the tribunal.
Okay. Now he is saying that फॉर्मालदाद एक प्रोटोकॉल म्हणून आम्ही मेळटात ताज्या किचड नेगोशिएशन जावं. गोवा गव्हर्नमेंट विल नॉट नेगोशिएट, only meet and talk.
I don't understand this formaldad only for one reason.
Okay.
Because either Chief Minister is speaking right or he is speaking right. Because negotiations or no negotiations is the issue. What he and myself have put forth is that what has happened so far and how we have come on a strong footing. So now Chief Minister is still speaking of those negotiations and all that.
No. See,
So
you are,
he's going for that
He is
meeting.
misquoting. Chief Minister has never said anywhere that he is going to negotiate on mother issue.
You're
Never
saying-
said.
You're saying he's only going to talk.
Talking informally on mother issue, as far as all the three chief ministers, and there is nothing
See, there
wrong
is
in
one
that.
more, you know.
That is not called negotiation. Our matter is in the tribunal, and we are going to win it. The question of negotiation does not arise.
There is one more aspect. to
Our
it.
government
Please don't think
has given
Madhe-
assurance to the people of Goa.
No
on Madai.
negotiation, no negotiation.
No negotiation.
Oh,
See, please understand.
Yeah.
There is more to Madai. Water is one aspect which is very important, but then there is biodiversity,
Correct.
which there is flora, there is fauna, there is so much. And please don't forget, your Madai flows from the Western Ghats.
Western Ghats.
Your
are-
one second, your Western Ghats is a World Heritage Site. Have you petitioned the UNESCO, the UN?
See, there is.
You
no
can
question.
also do that.
Yeah.
I am putting before
Yeah,
you
yeah. They
because
can-
it is a
they
World Heritage Site as notified by the UN. You could also examine
Okay.
the possibility of doing
Vijay,
that.
this is a very clear stand taken by the ruling party that we are going as a formaldad, we are going as a protocol. We'll talk because senior judges have suggested.
Yeah.
आम्ही एक शब्दाक मान दितात, आम्ही वतात, तोंड दाखयतात, परत येतात. We are not getting to get involved into any kind of negotiation.
Question
You
of
are
the-
happy with this?
See, you cannot trust this government. One thing, this government, तांचो approach, ते U-turn सरकार मरतो. They can say one thing and say something else. When we talked about nationalization of rivers on the floor of the house, the chief minister actually was agreeing with us that nationalization is wrong, man. It is not well thought out. Man. But afterwards, he has come out heavily in defense of it. So the chief minister is also now accustomed to U-turns, just like like the guy whom he succeeded. Now, point here is all party meeting घेतली त्यांनी. All party meeting त्यांनी कोणाक document दिले. बरं आमच्या असल्या लोकांक आपयले. I have been the most vocal on Madai every time in the assembly. I was not even called because they don't consider me party. Now they will have different reasons for that. Point is that also was a formaldat. ती फॉर्मालदादच केली त्यांनी. आता एक फॉर्मालदाद करपाचे आहा पळय ताचो तो हे टाइम पास करतात. हे फकत वावर काडटात. कशे तरी
So you feel that Goa government will get involved into negotiations
Goa-
because of the pressures of lobbies?
100%, and Goa government chief minister will not even be seen there in those lobbies, not only by his physical stature but otherwise. तो दिसतोच ना थंय. तो ताका ते वाप करून घातले बरोबर.
See,
तो लॉबी केजर आहे आणि
let
ह्या
me-
हांच्यान प्रेशर घेऊन
So
आता.
Let
Goa,
me
you are
correct
telling that
Vijay.
Goa government is paying in for the lobbies and
Yes,
pressure
and
of lobbies.
secondly, they have not answered Shantaram Naik's allegation. The Rajya Sabha MP has said that they have sought advice from Amit Shah's lawyer. Amit Shah's lawyer is going to think of Goa,
Okay.
or he is
Yeah,
going
I
to think
will-
of the
I will
state
correct-
which he is going to get.
Okay.
I will
Michael.
correct Vijay on this. There is a order from the tribunal which says that तुम्ही formally उलोया, तुम्ही
This is not
negotiation.
order. It was a casual
It is-
remark.
no, it's not a remark. When a judge says something, you have to respect. And we are not going to negotiate on this. We can very well sit across. कसलीच गजाल जी आहा, you have to sit across. But आमची केस चालू आहा न्हू. निगोशिएशनाचो प्रश्न ते येना हिंगा. आणि जो बाब विजय म्हणटा आता नॅशनलायझेशन ऑफ रिव्हर, आम्ही नॅशनलायझेशन ऑफ रिव्हर करिना. तू MOU पयलो वाच
ना
तो.
ना तुका सांगता हांव.
No,
एक सांगता.
Ayatish, I'll come.
If
Yeah.
you
तो वाच
read
म्हणून
the
सांगता म्हणून
MOU,
सांगता.
Yes.
if you
No,
read the-
no. एकच मिनिट हा.
See,
What is
खंय
your
दाखय रे
point?
तो.
No, एकच मिनिट.
दाखय रे तो.
What is
तो
your point?
ड्राफ्ट MOU जो येयल्लो,
हय.
सो हे म्हणटा येदो व्हडलो बोबाव केलो आणि ते काय अजूनही सायन जावंक ना. कांयच सायन जावंक ना. कॅप्टन ऑफ पोर्ट तुका जाय जाल्यार कॅप्टन ऑफ पोर्टा कडेन वच आनी तो तेजे कडेन आहा रेडी. I have seen it. There is nothing like that. See, we are only going to take assistance from the center for it's not called capital dredging. It is minor dredging. जे river Salan जे सगळे येयला पळय ते सगळे all that chikol which is come in the middle. We will do a little bit of that dredging, and wherever see waterways are required in Goa. आदी जे वापोर यूज करताले ते आमी ते आयज गरज आहा हे जे रोड आयज आमकां वाडोवंक
So you are saying that will benefit
See,
Goa.
it
No,
is
no,
easy.
yes,
सांगता
yes, yeah, yeah.
नॅशनलायझेशनाचो विशय आयला म्हणून सांगतो का म्हाका दिसता हे नॅशनलायझेशनाचे जे कारस्थान चलयलां नी
ना, हे
कारस्थान
सगळं
I tell you,
political
म्हाका उलोवंक दी,
nothing
म्हाका उलोवंक दी,
political,
म्हाका उलोवंक दी.
Michael, let him
ऐक,
finish.
election
तू
is
उलय-
coming.
तू उलयता पळय तू उलयता पळय MOU वाच म्हणून हाड मरे तो
आता
तुवें वाचला
तुका फाल्यां
तुवें
दाखयता.
वाचला
यतीश,
आयक,
यतीश,
तुका सांगता
यतीश,
तुका
यतीश,
सांगता
यतीश.
आतां एक
What is
रिवर
your point? What is your point?
स रिवर्स तुवें नॅशनलायझेशनाक हाडल्या
हय.
करेक्ट स रिवर्स तुवें जर नॅशनलायज करून नॅशनलायज रिवर्स म्हणजे बेड्स आर ऑल्सो नॅशनलायज योर बँक्स आर एव्हरीथिंग गोज टू द सेंटर बेसिकली
No.
One
This is
second.
totally
One
wrong.
second.
Michael,
One second.
Michael.
Now you tell me.
I do not agree.
Once
Michael,
you
wait,
may
wait.
not agree, but this is the concept of nationalization.
No.
Now,
Michael, 1 minute.
Now, suppose I'm not talking in the context of one specific this. I'm talking generally. Your 6 rivers you are putting in the domain of nationalization. Tomorrow they go under the center's domain, under that inland water, river, water authority, whatever it is. One river, the center decides we are going to change the course this side. State government, if they talk, they will say this doesn't come under you. You keep quiet, Mandalte.
So you are saying it will affect Madhai also.
I am only saying the moment you nationalize, you are handing over the state's hard-earned rights over the rivers to the center. And then the center can do many things and you may not have control on it.
Okay.
So this government is working overtime on this issue of nationalization since the topic has come to ensure that Goa divests its rights back to the center,
Okay.
which we have
Wait,
earned
wait,
hard
wait.
way.
Now this is a very
See, I will-
Michael,
I will
I'll come to you, I'll come to
counter
you.
him on this.
No, I'll come to you, I'll come
A
to you.
straight
No,
counter.
पहिले
I'll come
मध्याचे
to you.
उलया.
Direct, the
No,
question only
no.
does not arise.
Michael,
of
I'll come to you.
nationalization.
Michael, I'll come to you. Now this is one aspect. The second aspect is very interesting. Second aspect is जे कर्नाटकान तुगेले कावेरीच्या हातून भितर केला सुप्रीम कोर्टाचो जजमेंट आयलो तरी ते आयकुपाक तयार नात ना अल्टिमेटली इट इज अ स्टेट इट इज नॉट अ पर्सन वेर यू कॅन डू समथिंग फाल्यां जर आमी ट्रायब्युनला भितर केस जिखले आनी ताणें सेम गजाल केली what are the options before us?
ना एक पहिले म्हणल्यार
Why?
आय थिंक देर इज अ कन्सेप्ट ऑफ ज्युडिशियल एक्टिविजम अँड ऑल्सो ज्युडिशियल एडव्हेंचरिझम ज्युडिशियल एडव्हेंचरिझम म्हणल्यार कितें की जुईज जे तांकां ट्रायब्युनलाचेर घाल्या तांकां दे हॅव बीन पुट देर विथ अ स्पेसिफीक mandate. What is the mandate? To adjudicate on this matter. What they do, they get an extension. And on that very day, one day after getting the extension, they are saying you do out of court settlement. मागीर तुम्ही थंय मड्याक आहा तुम्ही कित्याक आहा रे थंय तुम्ही बांक तापोवपाक आहा सरकाराचे पयशे खावपाक आहा जुईजांक पसून विचारपाची गरज आहा आय फील द ट्रायब्युनल हेज टू बी क्वेश्चन what was the interest in suggesting this irresponsible casual remark? They say it's a casual friendly remark. This is what I've been
In good
reading in the
faith,
paper.
in good faith.
What good faith?
Okay.
Where is the good faith?
That is what has
This
been
is the
told.
irresponsible judiciary,
Okay.
according to me.
This I'll take you on this. No, Michael will.
Arre, one day after getting extension,
Okay.
you are
Now
making
this is a very
recommendation?
interesting thing. That Vijay's point is even tribunal has violated its mandate in suggesting that you do out of court settlement. Legally, how you would
I
say?
view it like this.
Okay.
I articulated it once. I'll try to articulate in different words again. The moment you have gone and invoked the jurisdiction of Water Disputes Tribunal, it presupposes interstate negotiations have failed.
Failed. That's why there is a dispute.
Now, therefore, there is a dispute. Therefore, there is a petition under 3. Therefore, the center has constituted this authority, and therefore, the tribunal is seized of the matter. Now, Goa government, with all that we have seen in the past, in the successive years of governance, we are on a good footing. We evidentially we are good, factually we are good.
Has tribunal overstepped its mandate?
I do not want to say anything. I only want to say that Goa government has to ensure that our rights are protected. And for that, since the negotiations in the past have already failed, you see, now we have good evidence, we have got good chance of putting our case even in a better way. The state government, with all sincerity and dedication, should put forth the case properly, which I am sure
No,
they are
now the
doing.
point is- no,
which
the
I am sure
quest-
they are doing,
no,
and
the-
they should do it in a manner that we succeed. Goa succeeds.
No, Yatish, my point is very simple. In case of Kaveri, Karnataka is not even listening to the Supreme Court of India.
Where they will
Even if we assume and we be very optimistic that we will win this case, and it happens, and Karnataka does not listen, it goes to the Supreme Court. Eventually, same thing happens. what are the options in front of our tiny state like
Therefore,
Goa?
I'm saying when Goa has got a good case, is it a case that negotiations were not explored? Negotiations were
No,
explored.
what are our options in that
Our
scenario?
options today is you go before the tribunal, fight it out on the backbone and bedrock of evidence, which is good and tilting in your favor completely, and win the case.
ओके मायकल द पॉइंट सादो आहा फाल्यां कर्नाटकान जर अशीच मस्ती केली जाल्यार गोंयान कितें करपाचें कारण विजय म्हणटले तांगेले 28 खासदार आसात महाराष्ट्रात जर पळोवपाक गेलो जाल्यार 46 आहात सो वी आर फायटींग अगेन्स्ट टू स्टेट्स which in terms of lobby, in terms of might and in terms of all kinds of powers are far more superior than Goa is. How to tackle that? Is there a plan?
See,
Plan 1 is definitely win in the court of law.
Plan-
Plan 2 is this eventuality, नी?
प्लॅन आता पळय आमचो भासाभास केजेर जाता जज हॅज सेड दॅट यू कॅन जस्ट स्पीक यू निगोशिएट वॉट best can be done between the three states. As advocate has said that these negotiations have failed earlier. So we are also saying that it has failed. But since the judge has said, giving respect to the judiciary,
उतराक मान दिता.
ज्युडिशरीक रिस्पेक्ट दिवंकूच जाय. बाब विजय सांगता तेका हांव समज करिना.
No, yes,
बाब विजय
no,
कितें
no.
म्हणटा
Yeah.
की तेणे रॉंग उलयला म्हणून म्हणजे ते
These
तो-
are the-
तो क्वेश्चनूच
tribunal
येना
overstepped its mandate.
ना क्वेश्चनूच येना म्हणटा तो ते तुम्ही निगोशिएट करा म्हणून सांगपाक तेणी बिकॉज दे हॅव टू गिव अ जजमेंट नो सी दे हॅव गॉन वन स्टेप अहेड अँड सेड इफ यू ऑल कॅन डिसाइड तेणी आपलो एक हे केला इट डजंट
So
मीन
you are
दॅट वी
saying
हॅव टू लिसन
you don't need to, no, you are saying that you don't even need to say that why they overstepped their mandate.
we don't even have to know because it is judiciary who has said it. We are respecting. We will talk. आमची केस चालूच आहा. There is no question of negotiating as far as mother is concerned. Informal talks can be there anytime. तशें आदी कितलेच फाटी आमकां कळनासतना इनफॉर्मल टॉक्स जाल्ले म्हणजे they came, they met everybody. हिंगासर येयल्ले गोंयानूय येयल्ले ते मेवपाक वॉटर रिसोर्सीस मिनिस्टर
मेळूना कोण
वॉटर रिसोर्सीस मिनिस्टर ऑफ कर्नाटका येयल्लो तेंचो सीएमूय येयल्लो सगळे
No, Vijay, point
but
is
it
very
doesn't mean
simple.
that when the matter is in the court and it is in our favor, why we should negotiate with them?
Okay.
It is very
now,
simple.
now, एक म्हाका clearly जाय. You are suspecting that this is deliberate. The suggestion is deliberate.
yeah.
Karnataka
Yes.
chief minister seizing the opportunity is
Yes.
deliberate.
Everything is
Goa
deliberate.
accepting it is deliberate. You are saying everything is deliberate.
they challenging the Kaveri judgment. That also is part of this. Are Karnataka, when there is a clear judgment by the Supreme Court, they refuse to accept. They are assemblies together. ते आमचे भशेन न्ही म्हाका आपयना पळय ऑल पार्टीक तशें तांचे ना ते सगळ्यांक आपयतात
तेका
आनी ते
फुडल्या फावटी आपयतले आमी.
तांचे स्टेटी खातीर एक आसता आज हांगा कशें आहा हांगा एकूच एडवांटेज आहा हांकां म्हणटा ती हांचे कडेन भाई आहा जो थंय रक्षा मंत्री आहा जो आर्मीक सांगूंक शकता की तुमी हनुमाना भशेन तुमचे पावर तुमकां खबर नाशिल्ले म्हणून सो ही कॅन एक्चुअली प्ले अ बिग रोल इन दिस ही इज द ओनली वन
So you are saying that
the onus is on him.
Okay, so
to
you are
protect
saying
Goa.
so you are saying the only way to counter their lobby and their pressure
Yeah.
is to do with whatever we have.
No, we have the biggest hammer, Rafael.
We are the biggest Rafael. Okay.
So he has
Michael.
admitted now. All this time he was not
There is a big
admitting.
state of Maharashtra.
He
big
आमच्याकडे
state
Era,
of
Michael,
Karnataka. There is
yeah.
a big state of Maharashtra in terms of MPs. There is a big state of Karnataka in terms of MPs. I only hope that BJP government in Goa sincerely fights this case, which I am sure they are in the interest of the state, and they don't politically fall in this politics game of political arithmetic. That is the only this that I
That is
wish.
the only hope every Goikar can
एक
think.
एक
See, विजयान आयज मानून दिलें की आमच्याकडे दोन आहा म्हणून
हा.
एक आमचो राफायल
हा.
ही इज पॉइंटिंग
Rafael
आउट टू आवर
58,000 crore.
No, he is pointing out to our defense minister that
हा.
as long as he is there, he has accepted it today.
हा.
आणि आमचो आत्माराम नाटकर्णी आमचो फॉर्मर एजी who is heading this case in the
Michael,
tribunal.
my point
So
is
as
very
long as
simple.
these two people are there, we are safe.
My
He
point
has
is, no,
admitted.
Michael, my point is,
तेका आपयतले आमी.
Michael.
फुडल्या फावटी तेका आपयतले
हा.
मार्चान तो लीडर ऑफ ऑपोजिशन जावपाचो लीडर ऑफ ऑपोजिशन जावपाचो
The only way
तेका ते
Madai
काँग्रेसीत
issue
करतले.
can be saved to Goa's interest.
Yeah.
Is this national parties have always made slaves out of Goans. They have told you can't challenge this. You can't challenge the tribunal. You can't challenge a irresponsible casual remark of the tribunal. Why? Because it is a tribunal. And where the hell those people are carrying in Karnataka when they were burning those buses? तुमच्यो कदंबा बशी उजो घालतना तांकां खबर आसलें की थंय सुप्रीम कोर्टान जुईज आहा म्हणून गोंयाक इम्पोर्टंट सरकार आहा आनी हाजे पयलीं पसून तुमी सदांच गोंयकारांक सांगिल्लें आहा नो यू हॅव टू रिस्पेक्ट द सेंटर दीस दिल्ली कमांड हाय कमांड जो आहा ताजे खातीर गोंयकार त्रासां
बरें, Michael, then the-
that is the only reason.
He is making a political point here. See,
100% it's a political
I'll
point.
tell you.
National
I'll tell you.
parties don't
I'll tell
look
you. I'll tell you. I'll tell you.
Okay,
Now
okay.
he wants to bring that this office everywhere.
Yes.
Now you see, it is
Something
like
has
this.
to be brought everywhere.
No. Come
After
on.
election.
Come on. Come on.
Michael,
No.
let me- I'll take you, I'll take you. Yeah.
You see,
Yeah.
this tribunal was constituted during the Congress regime.
Yes.
When a tribunal is constituted, it is in view of an appreciation of a failure in negotiation. That regional sentiment, when it was communicated, the
Correct.
center, this was going on from 80s, by the
Correct,
way,
correct.
these things.
90s it started.
No,
No,
Michael,
it started
one minute,
earlier.
one minute.
Then, center has respected it. The Congress government has respected it. The Congress government in this with the state has petitioned the center, and it has happened. Now, the state government is duty bound to protect the interests of Goans, and they should do it. So, this, I think, what he is saying, that regional, anywhere he comes with this regional.
Okay,
It is
okay,
regional.
okay,
No.
It is a
How
state's
it
interest.
sounds
It
okay.
is a
I am
state's
exposing
interest.
a joint venture
It is a
between Congress
state
and
interest.
Okay, okay.
State
This is
interest.
clearly a joint venture.
You are
You can
only
expose
talking politics
successfully
everywhere.
expose.
Okay.
You are
This is
only
politics.
talking politics
This is
everywhere.
politics.
Yetish,
After all,
Yetish,
it is 28 versus
Yetish.
Interest of the
Okay,
state.
माझा फायनल मायकल एक
हा,
गजाल
इतले sounds
मायकल
होता.
जेन्युइन दीज आर जेन्युइन
Only regional party can do.
Okay.
That's
Yeah,
what
only
rubbish.
No,
is.
Yetish,
That is
Yetish,
pure
Yetish.
rubbish.
Yeah,
And that is how that
Okay.
Jayalalitha got a judgment in favor of our
Okay,
state.
yeah.
See,
Michael,
I
Michael,
think the
Michael,
national party
Michael,
want
the
to
point is,
I want to
Michael,
remind Vijay one simple thing
Yeah.
that we are part of India. Goa
are
is a
slaves.
part. No,
We are
Goa
slaves. This
is
is
a
what
part
is
of
being
India.
said. You are slaves.
And
I
we
am
are
not a
one
slave.
of the state of India.
Yes.
And we have to respect judiciary.
अरे federal structure
And
म्हणून
at the
मोदी
same
होता.
time, our case is going in the tribunal.
no negotiation.
Our government is serious. BJP government in Goa is serious on Madai.
no negotiation.
No negotiation. Our AG is there, former AG is there, Sushant Natkani is taking care. Our defense minister is there, our chief minister is there, Lakshmikant Parsekar, our
All these
present AG is
negotiations
there.
incidentally
There
have
is no
happened
way.
after a
तो
delegation
आता
with the
हे
defense
सगळे
minister in
कोत्ता
the world.
तो
All has begun after years of something.
गोवा फॉरवर्ड व्हरपाक लोक
But
सगळे
he-
हुशार आहा.
Okay, okay, okay.
गोंयचे लोक हुशार
Okay,
आहा.
बरें,
लोक
बरें.
हुशार आहा.
गोंयचे झाडा
गोंयच्या
कितें
लोकांक
करपाक
खबर
जाय
आहा,
पळय
विकपाक
तें
काडला म्हणून
कांयच जावपाचें ना.
बरें. Michael,
परतून
Michael,
आमी
Michael,
देतले.
Michael, my time is
तुका
over.
थोडेशे आमी
Michael,
cleanup
Michael,
operation
time,
मान्यता
Michael,
दितले.
my time. हांव
ते
इतल्याचेर,
भियानाका.
Michael,
Congress is
हांव
going to come down.
इतल्याचेर
You are
थांबता.
admitting Congress
यतीश
is going to
नाका.
तेका तुम्ही सपोर्ट तेकाच करचो
Okay,
पडटलो.
okay.
You admit.
Leader of
Congress is
opposition
coming to
तेकाच
power.
करचो
बरें,
पडटलो.
Michael, I will stop at
Will be
this.
decimated,
I will stop at this. टाइम सोंपला. हांव एकच गजाल म्हाका प्रामाणीकपणान हें दिसता की अल्टिमेटली अशें विजयान म्हळें की कर्नाटका भितर असेंब्ली सगळी एकठांय येता आनी सगळे जाण इशूचेर
We have to be united.
वी हॅव टू बी युनायटेड
We have to be united.
आणि म्हाका एकच
BJ,
ना, ना.
myself, BJP,
Yes.
काँग्रेस
Yes.
आणि कोण
Okay.
खंयचे
No, no.
पार्टी आहा ते
No, no.
गोवा
म्हाका-
विकास पार्टी.
म्हाका-
Everybody have to be
म्हाका
united
इतलेंच
on this.
दिसता म्हाका इतलेंच दिसता की फाल्यां जर कर्नाटकान कावेरीची बाबतीक जें केलां तेच जर म्हादयची बाबतीक केलें जाल्यार
करतलेच.
जाल्यार युनिटी जाय पडटली आणि
सगळ्यांची unity जाय.
तेन्ना कितें करपाचें हाजे खातीर एक्शन प्लॅनूय जाय पडटलो फाल्यां खंयचेंय सरकार सत्तेर आसूं हो एक्शन प्लॅन सगळ्यांनी बरोबर मेळून तयार करचो पडटलो आनी ती तयारी गोंयकारांनी आनी गोंयच्या पॉलिटिकल लिडर्सान दवरची इतलेंच मागता आनी थांबता
पूण in the meantime चालूच आहा.
आयले इतली बरे भशेन
काम
भासाभास
चालू आहा
केली
तें. हांव पयर
थँक्स
ना, ना, ना,
हांव
कांयच
इतल्याचेर
ना,
थांबता
जालो.
Full scale
We
काम
are
चालू.
we are
Michael.
fully protecting
ओके
this issue.
थँक्स अलॉट हांव इतल्याचेर थांबता आयले देव बरें करूं पवित्रवाद प्रुडंट नमस्कार